Here Akhil Shrivastava teaching you maths of class 10th, NCERT, chapter 15 probability. Question based on the different activities. Like a card question. A deck of playing card. In the deck of playing card means there is a 52 cards in a deck. 4 sets of cards are there. In this 13 cards in each set, 13 4 ja 52. Heart, they are different card. Heart, diamond, club and spade. Heart is the red color card and this is the shape. In Hindi it is pan. Diamond, it is in the this shape and also it is red color and it is in Hindi eat. Club, black color, in Hindi it is chidi. Spade, black color, like a heart there is a one stick only, so that's why, and it is a black color also, and then these two are black and these two are red. Two sets are black and two sets are red. There is a 13 cards numbered. First card is ACE, ace, 2, 3, 4 till 10, and then jack, queen, king. In short form, A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, J, Q, K, it will be written on the card. So, ace is in Hindi ikka. One card of ace in one set. 9 card of number card from 2 to 10. J indicate jack, in Hindi gulam. Face card. These three are cards the face card. These three are card the face card. Ace not included in number, not included in face. Sometimes it will be given ace. Ace is not 1. It is a 1 number card, but it has written early A. Jack, Gulam, Queen, Q, Queen, Begum, and K, King, Vasha in Hindi. So, red color cards started like this. From A to 13 it is written. This is red color. 13 to 26 cards are red color. Black color, club and spade, like this it is numbered till the last 13 cards. So 4 ace, out of 4 2 are red, 2 are black. 36 number cards, 18 red, 18 black. 4 jacks, 2 red and 2 black. 4 queens, 2 red, 2 black. 4 kings, 2 red and 2 black. Total number of cards are 52. It is the deck of a playing card. 12 face cards in which 6 are red and 6 are black. Alphabet cards. Alphabet means ace also have a alphabet card because A is written there. Ace card like this. Here it will be A, here it will be A, and here if it is a heart, then you will get like this. If it is a heart, and one name you will get like this. It is a number cards 2 written here, jack, K, J, K, like this it is written. And what is the number? It is the number of cards. Alphabet, A, J, Q, K are alphabet. 16s are alphabet cards, 8 red, 8 black. And number cards are you read like a 2 of, within inverted comma, 2 of club 1. 2 of red color means there is a 2 red, 2 of red heart and diamond. 2 of deck, deck means whole 4 set, there is a 4 cards of 2. Like this, any number, like a 5 of red means 2, 5 of heart 1, 5 of deck 4, in which 5 is written, 5 number card. Total cards 52, 26 red, 26 black, cards, 26 red cards red and 26 card black. One example is given. One card is drawn from a Bell Shepherd deck of playing card. Find the probability of getting a ace of deck. Like this I have given 8 questions. So first part, first of all you will write down the NT. What is the NT? Number of total outcomes 52, because 52 cards. Ace is of deck. Deck means all 4 set, so NF will be 4. Probability will of number of favorable outcome upon number of total outcomes. In short form you write the NF and NT. So here 4 by 12, 1 upon 13. Face card. Face card are total 12. Favorable outcome 12, it means NF, number of favorable outcome is 12. Number of favorable outcome upon number of total outcome 12 upon 52. This 5 of spade, there is only one spade, so there is a 1 upon 52. Alphabet NF means number of favorable. Alphabet 16, just now I have told you there is a total 16. Alphabet cards, alphabet of deck, totals, it is not written any name, it means total 16 are there, 4 upon 13. King of red, there is 2 king of red color, so favorable outcome will be 2. Number card, there is a 9 in one set, 9 4 36 is the favorable outcome, so NF will be 36, 36 by 52 you will get 9 upon 13. Like this. Not queen. Queen is, how many queens are there? 4. Total 52 minus 4 queens, then 48 is left. It is your NF, number of favorable outcome. And now you will get probability of event is 12 upon 13. Not queen. Not queen means except queen other all. Ace of black, there is 2 ace, 1 by 26. If the 2 dice are thrown together once, then what happens? 2 dice thrown once, then there will be a pair you are getting. Pair means like a 2 coin. Like this you will get, one column is for the one color dice, another is another color. Suppose one red, one black, one grey, anyone. All 6 numbers you write here, horizontal line or vertical line. So 1 with the number this 2. First coin, if 1 is there, first dice, then other dice, any number will come. Then there are 6, 1, 1, 1, 2 like this. First die has a 2 on the top, other may have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 any. So there again 6. Like this you are getting total 36 outcomes. It is any 2 dice. Any 2 things you are happening, then they like a pair you will form. So for the die there is a one question given. I have to given an example. 2 dice thrown at the same time, find the probability of getting with both the dice as this same number. Like this I have told you again many questions. Solutions I am seeing. What is the solution? Solution 5 comes on at least once. Same number. So there is a first one, total possible outcome. By this figure you will draw at once, very fast speed. Total number of outcome is 36. Like 1, 1, 1, 2 like this till 6, 6. Same number means there is a one diagonal you are getting, it is the same number on both the dice, then there is a 6 numbers. This is the favorable outcome, NF 6, 1 by 6. Different number except this 6, all are different or not? One is 4, another is 5. Different numbers means except this 6, other all. So subtract 6 directly, no need to write all. 30 minus 6, 6 is, it is the same numbers. So that you are getting 30, it is the different. So 30 by 36, 5 by 6. Even both are even. 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 6, 5. Like this you can start out. One even you take first, then second even. There is a total 2, 2, 4, 2, 6, 2, 2. There is 9. 9 even numbers on both the dice, so 1 by 4. Total for all is same. Sum is 12. Sum means 6 plus 6 is 12. Only one pair whose sum is 12, other pair is less than 12. And minimum sum is 2. 1 plus 1, 2. So sum is 12, there is 1 by 36. Like this, sum is less than 10. Less than 10 means except these, all are less than 10. 4, 6, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 5, 6, 6 and 6, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers except all less than 4. So number it is the 10, less than 10 it is 10 and more than 10. So less than 10, 36 minus 6, 30. 30 is your favorable outcome, 5 by 6. Sum is 1. Minimum sum is 1, comma 1, 2. So here NF will be 0. Number of favorable outcome, no any favorable outcome whose sum is 1. So you are getting 0 by 36. 5 come at least 1 means one time one pair you get the 5. So all 5, 1 5 4 5 3 5 4 5 5 5. But when you count this line, in this 5 comes and in this 5 comes. This line you are getting 5 comes and this line you are getting 5 comes. But this number is repeating. So don't write 2 times. That's why it is not 12, it is 11. 5 5 you don't write here again. 11 numbers are total outcome, 11 by 36. Example of the book you see. Here find the probability of getting a head coin toss and also find the tail. Number of outcome is favorable outcome is this, possible outcome, not favorable. So for the tail, NT, number of total outcome is 2. Favorable outcome for head is only 1. Favorable outcome for the tail is also 1. So 1 by 2, both the probabilities will be same. Question number 2 you will see here. A bag contains a red ball, a red, a blue and a yellow. 3 balls. So number of red ball, blue ball, yellow ball, 1 1 1 3. So NF is equal to for the red color 1 by 3. For the this favorable outcome for blue color again 1, favorable outcome from yellow color again, all is 1 by 3. When you add all, you get 1. It is the element of the elementary probability. Sum is always 1. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is 1. Example 3 is given here. In this example 3 is given. Suppose we throw a die once. Die question. One die once you throw. What is the probability of getting the number this? Less than 4. Possible outcome will be this and NT will be 6. Favorable outcome 5 and 6. Greater than 4. Greater than 4 only 2 number. So 1 by 3, 2 by 6, 1 by 3. Less than or equal to 4. Another is given less than or equal to 4. Means all 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 will be less than 4 and 4 also equal also given. So probability 4 by 6, 2 by 3. Another example number 4 is given on the basis of a card question. Example number 4 is given here. One card is drawn from well-suffered deck of 52 cards. Here written, if the 52 is not written, then also there is a number of cards 52. Calculate the probability of card will be A and ace and not B and ace. Ace, very simple, 52 card, number of favorable outcome for ace will be 4 and number of favorable outcome upon number of total outcome is the probability. So you are getting 1 by 13. Not ace means you apply the rule of this. Then also P plus P not equal to 1. By this you can get 12 by 13 or subtract 4 ace from 52 you will get 48. Again 12 by 3. There is a 2 options. One is this and one is this. Question number 5 is given. Example 5 is given in the book. You can see 2 players Sangeeta and Reshma playing a match and winning probability is given, losing probability. What is the probability for Reshma winning the match? Sangeeta's winning probability is this, then Reshma will be a minus, not winning. Not winning, then the Reshma will win. So same thing, probability of winning if is this, then not winning or winning. Not winning means not winning for the first one, Sangeeta. Not winning for Sangeeta means winning the Reshma. So 1 minus 0.62. One will win, another will be lose. But losing word is not given. Not winning word, it is given winning for both. So one you take as a, if her winning is this, then her losing will be not winning. Not winning is the probability of another one. So another question 6 is given. Sabita and Hamida are friends. One, if their birthday, what is the probability of same birthday? Ignoring the leap year. Leap year is given. Otherwise, there is a 2 possibility. One leap year, one non-leap year. Leap year 365 days, 66 days. Non-leap year 365 days. If the same day and if different day means if one has a birthday on any number any day, then other has all 364 so what is, so different days, it means one day is over, for other there one day is left, and that day may be all the rest days of the year. That is 365 minus 1. 364 is the possibilities of the day for another person. If Sabita has one day, then other left for her is 364. So probability for the different day is 364 by 365. It is the favorable outcome. But same day only one day will be over. So their favorable outcome is one day for both. So it is 1 upon 365. Different day 364 by 365. Same day 1 upon 65. Question number 7. 40 students in a school, 25 are girls and 15 are boys. Given name is written there. What is the probability of getting a girl and a boy? Name is written, so number of total outcome is 40. Girls NF 25, so 25 by 40, 5 by 8. If boys, for the boys means not girl, one option I have solved like this, otherwise it is given 15. Directly you can get 15 upon 40. 15 upon 40, then also your answer will be 3 by 8. So you can get by direct formula or you can get by the component formula. P plus P naught. Example 8 is given. A box contains 3 blue, 2 white, 4 red. What is the probability at random? White, blue and red. At random you are taking out the one ball. So blue 3, white, so what is the number of total outcome? 9. If you are taking white, then what is the probability of white? NF will 2 by 9. What is probability of blue? 1 by 3. What is the probability of red? 4 by 9. All three components when you add, again you will get, because these are the elementary probabilities, element of the. Example 9 is given. P of white, probability of blue, probability of red, sum will be 1. Example 9 is given. Harpreet tossed 2 different coins simultaneously. Says one is rupees 1 and another is rupees 2. 2 coin toss, then there will be at least one head. You want to find the probability for at least one head. So what is the total outcome? Total outcome will be HH, HT, TH and TT. So NF will be 4. NT, number of total outcome is 4. So at least one means, one head means this 2 pair have one head, but this also have one head. At least means minimum one head is required, more than one is also counted there, at least. So NF will is 3, so 3 by 4 is the probability. The question is given theoretical part, total time taken, it is a example number 10. A musical instrument is stopped when 2 minutes after starting. Total time is within 2 minutes. Every half minute it is stopped. Find what is the probability of music will stop within first half minute. First half minute after starting. So when stop, again start, it means every half will be its length. So what is the total distance for calculation? It is 2 minutes. It means NT is 2 minutes. Total time DT, which is called DT. Total time taken to calculate is 2 minutes. It is the total. Out of this, your favorable outcome is half minute. Half minute is the distance of time from 0 to half. Again it's 0 to half, again it's 0 to half. So number of total outcome is 2 minutes, number of favorable outcome is half minute. So probability of this type of question is not number. Number means distance of the time. Favor distance of time in total. Half upon 2, fraction rule, 2 will come down, there is a probability 1 by. A question is given based on area. A missing helicopter is crashed somewhere in the rectangular park. This is a rectangular park. Area question, it is not the number. So area is total area is area of the rectangle including the lake. And what is the probability that it will fall crashed into the lake? Then the area of lake is your favorable, what you want, desire. So area of rectangular plot 40.5, length into breadth. Area of the crest, area of crest means what your requirement is. It is the given here. 9 is this, 6 is this, then this length will be 9 minus 6, breadth will be 4.5 minus 2, then it is 2.5. So L into B, 9 minus 6, 4.5 minus 2, you will get 3 into 2.5, 7.5 kilometer square is the area of requirement favorable. So it is your area in favor. It is the area in total and it is the area in favor. So probability of event to fall in the lake is area in favorable upon area is total, that is 75 upon 40, 405, point removed, and then 5 by 25, 15 5 ja and 15 25 upon 27 is the possible probability of this. So in the example 12 it is given a cartoon consists 100 shirts, then two purchasers are Jimmy, purchase only the good ones, and the Sujatha purchase only the not purchase only the major defects. She purchased, one has purchased only good and one has purchased good and the minor defect both. So total is 100, means NT is 100, good is 88. So first of all you write in the detail total shirt, minor defect, good, major defect. Only good Jimmy purchase, reject the major defect by Sujata. Favorable outcome for Jimmy will be 88, so it is 88 upon 100, 2 decimal directly you can write or direct in fraction. Favorable outcome for the Sujata, she is purchasing 88 as well as 8 also, not 4. So 88 plus 8, 96, or you can find 100 minus 4, both the same thing. So 96 by 100 you are getting this. Question number 13, 2 dice, example 13, 2 dice thrown, one is blue and one is grey, I have told you in the beginning. So write down all the possible outcome. First of all you plot a table. How will you plot the table? This is the table you plotted. It is your table what I have told you before few minutes. And then find the probability that the sum of the two number appearing on the top is 8, 13 and less than is equal to 12. Less than or equal to 12. This is the table. All are seeing. By this you are seeing first one is given 8. 8 means first in the line of 2, 2 and 6 will be in the 3, 5, 3, in the 4, 4, 4, in the 5, 5, 3, in the 6, 6, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is your outcome. It is favorable outcome for sum is 5. So NF is 5. So what is the probability? 5 by 36. Sum is 13. There is a maximum sum 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. So know any number pair whose sum is 36. 13 it means it is 0, so 0 by 13. 12 or sum is less than or equal to 12. So 6 plus 6 is 12 and other all is less than this. So all are the favorable outcome is all. All means 36. 36 means 36 is favorable, 36 is total. Your probability will be 1. So easily you are seeing all the examples you have finished today. So that's all for today. In next lecture I will explain the exercise in this chapter. Thanks.